Nancy here from Fancy Nancy Diamond Painting with Baby and Charlie. Baby's got her ball up on the bed. I have another unboxing for you. This one looks like it's 2 tubes, and they're round tubes, so I'm hoping I'm going to see the telltale purple ribbon of Evermoment. Wouldn't that be exciting? I think they're still my favorite. I love them all, but Evermoment is just, they've really set themselves apart with their images and their packaging and their customer service. And, well, this one's a little beat up. Yep, it does look like Evermoment, but there's the purple ribbon. But the tube is got kind of crushed, and the cap went inside. Luckily, I mean, not only do they package it, but they bubble wrap it, and then they put it in these very heavy-duty tubes, which they are the only tubes and boxes that I save and reuse. I don't take the little purple ribbon off anymore, so. Well, let me set one aside, and we'll do them both in this video and see what we got. We got a gift of these beautiful little snowflake stickers. Very nice. Their toolkits are always excellent. It's the white boat with a funnel. They give you a pink pen with a single on one end and a 3 on the other with a purple squishy. There's a big chunk of wax and the super sharp black tweezers that say Evermoment on them. Those are my favorite tweezers. And I see labels in here. Little labels to go on the bags, I guess. And there's our drills, nice and neat. And here is the canvas. Let's see which one we got here. It is the lovely Ladybugs riding on the dandelions. I just love that. I love dandelions. I love making a wish on a dandelion. And I love ladybugs. They're a sign of good luck. And here is the canvas. What's the matter, BB? She's looking at me like I'm supposed to do something. What is it? Where's your ball? Oh, there's your ball. Go get your ball. She threw it off the bed. Go get it. And yeah, she threw it. If I don't throw her ball for her, and if I'm not playing, she plays herself. She throws it herself. Okay, this has a whopping 38 colors. The key on here has the number, the symbol, the DMC number, and the quantity that I need. I just noticed their canvases are extra thick. And the paper is cut for us, which is just lovely. Let's get this all peeled up. There we go. And I'm noticing like even the background has all these gradients of color. So it's not just, you know, blue or black in the background. It's all different. Let's see, can you see that? Let me put the image up for you. And then you can look at the canvas. It's every little section here. Let me show you. This is background. You see all those symbols? That's background. I love all that color. And it makes the diamond painting very interesting to do. It's kind of a moon, the moon in the background and clouds and these beautiful little ladybugs. So it's two of my favorite things, ladybugs and dandelions. Make a wish for good luck. Oh, so I'm gonna call this one. Make a wish for good luck. So the colors are very nice. The tools are excellent. I mean, come on, this is Ever Moment. So, you know, or let me just peel up the other side because I see it's still curling over here. Here we go. Oh, I'm gonna have to bump this one up my list of diamond paintings to do. I've got quite a list. Okay, and I will do the inventory later like I have been doing lately. I can show you the side here. You can see all the colors there. There's a lot of dark, different shades of blue, and there's a lot of white and cream, all these fluffy clouds. That's just going to be beautiful. Very nice. So let me move that. That's this one. And let's open the other one. You know, 2 Ever Moments in one day is just like a bonanza. Okay, there's drills. Ooh, these are bright colors. You can see those. There's a lot of greens and pinks. There's a kit exactly like the last one. And another gift of stickers. But they're like little crowns and things. They say something on them, but it's backwards. Maybe they're tattoos because they're backwards. Or are they decals? I don't know. It says King and Queen on each one. I don't know. If you know what those are, put it in the comments. Clue me in. And this one has expanded. It expanded to the tube, so it didn't want to come out. There we go. I got it. Oh, this one is so pretty. It's these little bubbles. Like opalescent bubbles, and the one is a heart-shaped. I will put the image up there so you can see it better. I also love bubbles. I think they're so pretty. So, I was specifically looking for a bubble image, and this was the best one I could find. There are beautiful colors in this. No 310. None. And there's 79,939, which is that other really, really dark color. Sometimes you think, oh, I have no 310. There's no black. 310 is black in case you don't know your DMC numbers. And then you find out that there's 10,939, which is as close to black as you can get. Okay. Oh, I can already tell that the opalescent colors are really... And the beads aren't opalescent. You know, I know they make those, that one company makes those opalescent, extra shiny beads. These are just colors placed in a way to make it look like it's shimmering. Like they'll put, you can see on here, there's like blue along the edge. Kind of gives it that opal sheen. So this is a full drill square. And the size is not marked on the canvas. I want to say 40 by 40 is what it looks like to me. Does it say on here? Yes. Oh, I'm so good. 40 by 40 it says on the beads, on the drills. So let me close that up very carefully. Keep all the adhesive covered. Let me peel up this side a little bit because it's still curling. And like I said, I'll do the inventory and I will put in the notes how that came out. This one is really pretty and it's different. It's the first bubble one that I've seen. I think I bought one other that had bubbles in it. The colors are beautiful. It's very pale pastels, light colors, lavenders, and some dark. It's a really good mix. Full drill square, like I said. And hey, it's Evermoment. You can't go wrong with Evermoment. So I have a bunch more to do, so there's more videos coming. And thank you for joining me and BB. She's being a good girl, just sitting here all nice and quiet. BB, you being a good girl? Are you? Do you want to come here? No? You want to stay right there and guard me? Okay. Hey, if you like my videos, take a minute and hit like, subscribe, and if you tap the little bell, you'll get notified when my new videos come out. And take care. Have a great day. Happy diamond painting. Bye-bye.